Hello guys, welcome to 5th generation hobby shop and welcome to another unboxing and testing. Shoutout po natin si Sir Christian Ipunlan ng Batangas. Sir, welcome to 5th generation hobby shop. Ating unbox ngayon is the WE High Kappa T-Rex 2011 High Kappa T-Rex semi-automatic, fiber optic sight front and rear with markings, ambidextrous manual safety, kabilaan po yan, beaver tail safety, naka magwell, naka stippled grip na siya with markings. Made in Taiwan po ito, gas blowback. Yan, check natin yung safety working. Gas blowback airsoft pistol. Ayan, ng WE High Kappa po T-Rex. So may free na siyang gas, pop dyno, and 0.23 grams 4,000 shots na bala. Okay. So testing natin, lagay natin ng gas, BBs. Test part tayo. Load tayo ng BBs, sir. BBs and gas. Three to 5 seconds lang po. Okay, testing. 2011 High Kappa T-Rex gas blowback airsoft pistol. Testing, Sir Christian ng Lipa, Batangas. Open slide, sir. Release the magazine. Tapos ito, sir, huwag nyo siyang idadrop. Yan, huwag mo siyang idadrop. Ang gawin nyo, alalayan nyo lang, sir. Tulak mo ng bahagya. Babaan yung open slide, slide stop, slide release. Then, saka mo siya release para hindi mapupudpud yung notch na yan. So, yung iba kasi dinadrop lang ganyan. So, katagalan na pupudpud yan. Okay. So, all goods na tayo, sir. 2011 High Kappa T-Rex semi-automatic gas blowback by WE.